keep your passion alive, have patience, and just keep working.
Reacting to the amazing responses Scam has been receiving?
Oh, I mean, I'm really overwhelmed. Yeah, the kind of love that I'm receiving, the kind of appreciation all around, it's really overwhelming. I'm enjoying it.
Do you miss offline promotions?
Yeah, initially I did because that would have, meeting somebody personally is more fun than virtually. But on the hindsight, I guess this is also good because in this case, I am doing a lot of interviews and a lot of promotions in one day.
How has the journey from being a performer at birthday parties to becoming a national star been?
Oh, it's a journey in itself, yeah. In fact, each and every step, each and everything that I did added a lot of value in my personal life also, and in my craft also. So yeah, it's very fulfilling, very satisfying.
Can you share some milestones?
So there were interesting milestones in the sense when I first landed up in Bombay in 2004. My first Gujarati play that I took up, that itself was a milestone because I did 250 shows of that play. That was a play because of which I got my passport done and I traveled for the first time abroad. Another thing is another experimental play that I did where I got uh, recognition as an actor in the mainstream theater industry. So that was also one big thing for me. Then Bayar, of course, my first Gujarati film, which did wonders for the Gujarati cinema, Gujarati film industry. Then Wrong Side Raju, my second Gujarati film that won national award.
So you were
Then another Gujarati play that I did, and I performed in three languages: Hindi, English, Gujarati in one day. So that got me in Limca Books of Records. And then Scam.
yes. So you were working when you actually shot for the Gujarati films?
Yes, yes. I was in a corporate firm as an industrial engineer and HR professional. So yeah, I worked.
So what was the process of getting into the skin of Harshad Mehta like? What was the process?
It was a very interesting
Yeah.
process because the major thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it was an interesting process for me. The first and foremost, the biggest thing is that the body transformation that I had to go through. I had to
Yes.
gain a lot of weight and try to look like him. That was one part. The other part is to perform that character with the neutral perspective towards it, without making him hero or villain in my mind. I was not supposed to be biased when I play the character. So that was very interesting challenge as an actor.
Harshad Mehta actually is a very complicated, layered character. How do you see him as a person, personally?
So as a person, he's a very interesting person, with a lot of qualities in him. Like he was a dreamer, achiever, very confident guy. He never feared, achieving his dream. And for him, his passion was always first. He was a complete family guy without any, there were no habits, he was never distracted with anything else but his passion. So these are very interesting traits of a human being.
Scam is a web series which is full of very technical stock market terms. And Harshad Mehta was, of course, an expert in it. But how did you, like a normal person, pretend to be an expert?
So in that entire process, I had to learn a lot of things about share market, money market, how the transactions happen. That too, 80s, 90s without computers, so the damn thing. How these people used to, interact with each other, where they used to generate business from. All these things that I had to read and learn and meet people and understand a lot. So that when I say it, it should actually come across as I am also a genius and not acting.
What was the process of working with Hansal Mehta like? And was there some Gujarati
Oh
bonding
my
on the
God, he's
set?
a gem of a person. Oh, there was a Gujarati bonding on set. Especially you can see that bonding during the lunchtime. All those Gujarati cuisines from each and everybody's tiffin. So yeah, that is it. But Hansal Mehta is a gem of a person, a brilliant, brilliant director, and a very good human being first and foremost. So that connection is very interesting.
So, Scam also had 6 actors from the same theater group, right? Yes. So
That
you
is called Ideas Unlimited. Yeah,
right. So all of you must have been having a lot of fun while shooting.
lot of fun, lot of fun. In fact, for us, it was like we are just on a theater tour and performing our one of our plays.
Can you share some incidents?
So there were a lot of incidents. Like so, me, the guy who's playing Pranav Sheth, Jai, his
Hmm.
name is Jai Upadhyay, and the guy who's playing Bhushan Bhatt, he's Chirag Vora. We three of us have done a lot of theater together.
Right.
And I guess one of the photograph that you must have seen, which Jai had just put up
Yes.
yesterday, where three of us are there, in white clothes. That's the play called Apurva Avsar that we did just 3 years back.
So do you see OTT as a leveler today?
Yes, yes, absolutely. OTT has changed the game. Leveler also, and it is helping makers uh, experiment with new actors. So it's the best time for actors to be around.
How did you lose all those 18 kgs that you had gained?
I had worked out a lot. My three hours daily workout, then I mean not eating those tempting food which was being prepared at in house during that lockdown time, where everybody was putting photograph of some good dishes that they made. So everything was so lucrative around you, and you are still not supposed to eat those things extra calories and all.
What content are you watching right now?
Right now I am not watching anything, I'm just giving interviews.
Right. So I'll come to my last question. What would be your message for
Please.
aspiring actors?
I think for all the aspiring actors, I just want to share that it's not a message, koi gyan nahi hai, but the only thing that I want to share is that keep your passion alive, have patience, and just keep working without being negative, and that's the only thing that will help.